Hi guys. Let's see how to split your screen in Windows 10 and 11 with Snap Windows. There are several ways to split a screen in Windows 11 and 10, but the easiest is with Snap Windows. Snap Windows lets you drag a window to a corner or side of the screen to snap it there, which in turn makes room for other windows to be snapped in the resulting empty screen space. This Windows 10 feature can help you be more productive by snapping windows to the sides or corners of your screen without any hassle. You can split your screen by snapping 2, 3, or 4 windows evenly. You will be able to get a clear idea about snapping windows from this video. So if you enjoyed the video, please like, share and comment to the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.